Welcome back, YouTube. So, this is going to be a little bit different of a Friday episode. I want to talk to you today about shop safety. And these are going to be more tales from my past than anything that I can really show you, because, well, kind of everything in here can kill you. So, first thing, I was trying to do a little bit of off-center turning and make a wand. That blew up and hit me in the face. That was 2 days ago. A couple months ago, I had a 9-inch by 2-inch piece of maple on the lathe. I was making a bowl. Blew up. One piece hit me in the chest and the face. And it actually snapped off the, what's this tool rest. The thing. I've had molten metal on my body. I've inadvertently started fires. I almost started one in here with some boiled linseed oil. I've cut into my fingers. I've had a knife jammed into my chest. I actually even had a contact lens melt out of my eye, which is horrifying. Anyways, the point is, everything in here can kill you one way or another. And your number one concern always should be safety. If you think something's unsafe, step back, take 5 seconds, and look at it a different way. And a great tip for keeping yourself safe in the shop is do a dry run, no material, machine off, and kind of imagine how the operation is going to go. This will save you, well, it'll actually save you time in the long run, because now you're not futzing with a machine and trying to figure it out as you go. It'll also keep your fingers relatively intact. I still have all 11 of mine, and I plan to keep it that way. I would have to say, the number one problem I have with shop safety, and if you've seen it here, you can probably guess where I'm going. Having a cluttered shop. There have been numerous times where I've tripped over things. I've hurt myself. Once, I stepped back from the lathe, and I tripped over something, tried to catch myself on the chair. Chair moved out of the way. I fell into the wall, tried to, bounce kind of off that because some stuff fell off the shelving there. I fell into the bandsaw and then fell through the open door onto another chair. I couldn't walk for 3 days. And then for a week after, I was walking with a cane. What I'm guessing I'm saying is, do as I say, not as I do. Really, keep a clean shop, guys. It'll increase your efficiency, and you won't get hurt doing stupid things. And I really need to follow that rule, and I'm going to be working on that big time this week. But really, clean your shop. Just every now and then sweep up, pick up things, throw out things. You really don't need that little scrap of wood, especially if it's been laying on the floor for the last 3 weeks. And this last tip, guys, for keeping yourself safe in the shop is one that I sometimes don't follow either. And I'm going to tell you a story about this one too. Never work when you're too hungry or too tired. I worked on a project middle of last year that I was up trying to meet a deadline for 36 hours straight working. It was horrible. It was a terrible experience, and honestly, I should have known my limits and stopped, even if I took a 5-hour nap and then ate something. I probably would have worked faster, and I would have been a lot safer. I actually had to drive over to my parents' house, which is a half-hour drive, use their welder, and then drive a half-hour back. I was at the point where I was starting to see things in the road, which put my life in danger, but also put everyone else around me in danger. Don't do it. Also, when you're too hungry, you'll start making mistakes. Even if you're not diabetic, your blood sugar will drop some and you'll start getting antsy. Your mind won't be on the project. Your mind won't be on that sharp tool spinning fast right in front of your fingers. I've done it. We all have. But don't do it, guys. Really, take the 10-minute break. Have the sandwich, some orange juice. Go smoke a cigarette, something. Take a break every now and then. Don't push yourself too hard. There's a whole litany of reasons why you shouldn't as well. It'll lead to, crankiness, poor decision making. You'll make a bad product. It could even stress your immune system and you'll end up sick. Just don't do it. It's a bad idea. Take the break. YouTube, thanks for watching. I know this isn't one of my traditional Friday videos, and for that I kind of apologize, but at the same time I don't, because shop safety really is important. It's one of those things that everyone forgets about because I've been doing this for years, but it really is important, guys, and I can't stress that enough. One of the main reasons I'm doing this video this week is I'm really working on organizing my shop and becoming a much safer person in the shop by taking those breaks, eating the sandwich, thinking out the process ahead of time, and just cleaning. My shop is kind of in disarray today because we have the cable guy, and the only cable line comes in through the shop. So I had to move a lot of stuff out of the way, so I'm going to take the time to clean that up and really start organizing some things in here a little bit better. So let me just take a second to thank my Patreons. They're awesome, and if you've noticed, they've bought me this shirt. Basically, it has my little maker's mark and it has my little tagline on the back. So I don't know if you guys like it or not. I think it's awesome. So really, thank my patrons. Those guys are awesome. They really help make this channel so much better than it would be without them. And if you can, please go over there, check it out. It's a great, great resource for me. And if you like what I'm doing, please support it. I try to release new content every Monday and Friday at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. And I've been pretty good at it recently. I am going to have a few more shop upgrades to do a couple vlogs on soon. So if you really are that interested, if you're one of my super fans, that'll be on the secondary channel. Check that out. And a lot of those will be making their way into the main channel in the form of short project videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Please stay safe. And if you like the shirt, please let me know in the comment section below. Is this too big, by the way? I wanted to make it legible so it would be on camera, but I don't know if it's too big or not. So please let me know about that in the comment section below as well. Also, if there's anything you want me to talk about or demonstrate, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching, and thank you for helping me create a better world, one kerf at a time. See you next week.